All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of of my Le'Veon Bell custom jersey. We'll check the time here, March 20th at 8:30 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got March 20th at 8:30 p.m. Here's the list of our 10 entrants with Jeff's 3 mini spots that he won are also filled in. So we've got 10 entries, March 20th at 8:30. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Last and final. Good luck. It is Jeff in spot 10 is our winner. So Jeff, please get with me to collect your Le'Veon. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 20th at 8:31 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.